Binoculars. He broke those. Seat cushions.
Check.
Thunder sticks.
Strike.
2016 Media Guide.
Check.
Scorecard and pencils.
Check.
Reading materials in case of rain delay.
Check.
Vladdy?
These must be worth a fortune by now.
Check.
Sunblock.
Check.
Number 7 on Gene Autry's Cowboy Code, he must be a good worker. Number 8, he must keep himself clean in thought, speech, action, and personal habits.
Just like
Number
me.
9, he must respect
Yeah,
women,
except for
parents,
3, 5, 7, and 8.
laws. And number
I knew
10, a cowboy.
I'm a
is
cowboy.
patriot.
I always wanted a bowler tie.
I'm Kathy with a K, and this has been your morning list.
All to Maine to Cattell is the fastest route, by the way.
News
Where's
and weather
Vladdy?
after a word from our sponsor.
You never leave a man in scoring position!
I said let's go! I thought he'd hop in!
How? He doesn't even have any thumbs!
You said he was polydactyl!
That's cats! And Orangewood is the fastest way to the stadium. Today we'll be having a G-Man Choi inspired Kalbi sausage panini with a kimchi relish and a garlic jalapeno aioli. We'll be pairing that with a fresh, local, vibrant Saison de Lent,
Saison to what?
a farmhouse ale, perfect for warm weather picnics.
Yep.
And
I'm really glad that I came up with this off-site parking idea. They probably won't tow.
yeah, hopefully.
They probably won't. We're customers. Vladdy gonna be cool?
He totally overserved himself.
We should get him at a goober.
A dog Uber?
No, de goober.
Oh, okay.
Man, That was quick.
Where's he headed?
Yeah, take him home.
Take him home.
Who would have thought that tiny little parking lot would have their own security guard?
Who would have thought?
Go figure. I mean, a $60 open container ticket there is better than a $300 ticket here at the stadium. So in a way, we just saved money. You're welcome.
Where do you keep a wallet in those shorts?
I thought you were getting this.
What? See what I mean? 2 small beers render 8 more ounces than 1 large, and they're $1 cheaper.
Huh?
And I'd like to remind you all that tonight is my birthday.
I'll have 2 large beers.
And gifts are not only welcome, but are mandatory.
Is he always this expensive?
Well, fans, by popular demand, Kiss Cam has been replaced with a firm handshake cam.
You can really see all the action from up here.
Spectacular.
Hey, got something for us, buddy?
Just like my trout! Alright! Royal Rey del Mundo!
It's the singing cowboy himself. We gotta get a pic.
Excuse me, sir? You mind taking a picture of us?
Little back. Little back. Just like this, a little back. Little there.
Hey!
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
You want to wear my jacket?
No.
Okay, well then. You want to get up after the stretch? Beat traffic?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fans, make sure to pick up your tickets for this year's Angels Panini Press Day.
No, it's pronounced Galloway.
Quite drafty.
Ah, shirt.
I don't know. That's CJ Crone. It's a towering fly ball out of play. Looks to be about IO 506. Row P, a souvenir, and seat 21 territory.
It's not your seat?
Wasn't actually the Jurassic period, but the late Cretaceous period, though those dinosaurs. Oh, CJ Chrome crushes it. Deep to right. It hits the lights. It hits the lights. In all my years, it's creating fireworks. Just like that Robert Redford vehicle. I've never seen anything like this.
You kidding me?
Oh, my fans that left at the stretch must be kicking themselves right now.
Yeah, well, you wasted my money buying those 4 large beers. You should have bought 8 small beers.
Now blow it out your pool holes.
You know what, man? You're not a cowboy. You shouldn't wear a bolo tie.
Okay, dude. Whatever.
That's your attitude about everything. You forgot, Vladdy. You broke my binoculars. You didn't finish your panini.
Your panini was subpar at best.
What did you say?
Sub? Par.
You want to throw it?
Okay.
Go Halos.
Go Halos.